Hi, I'm Nessim, the CEO of AgentUI, and I want to personally welcome you to our community of builders. Here at AgentUI, we're all about helping you turn your ideas into real working applications. Even if you've never written a line of code, over the next few days, you'll get a few emails from me with tips, examples, and short guides to help you get the most out of your platform. But before you dive in, let me help you with a quick overview. When you're logging into your platform, the first thing you're going to see is your command center. It's a chat. If you ever get lost, you can always click here, chat, and you'll get back. Now, to get started, just enter your prompt. And I'm going to tell it to create a CRM with a sidebar, to create a new lead and a board to track my CRM. You click send, and the AI will get your message and start thinking. Once the AI might reply to you with a question, or might start building. If it starts building, you're going to see a screen like this, and you can wait for it to finish. It's going to take a few minutes. Once it's ready, your application will start building. You're going to see the result in the preview section. You can test it out to make sure everything's working. I'm just going to enter some information. Now you have a board that you can move your leads and update the lead. You can keep refining it by telling it whatever change you want. I'm going to tell it I want to add meeting notes to the lead. And he will continue working on it. If you ever get an error, you can always tell it to fix it. That is a common thing you will see in the platform. Sometimes the AI can make mistakes, or you can always backtrack and go back to the previous version by going into dashboard and clicking version history, and you will see all the edits the AI has made for you. We're gonna let it build, and we're gonna come back in a few minutes. While the AI builds, you're gonna see here what he's doing. He read the files, he generated some code, and he's just finishing up the last touches to get back to us. Okay, so once you've made all the changes, your application should be up and running. You could see that if I go back to my leads board, he's added the changes that I asked him to. So now, if you're ready, you can publish your application by going to your dashboard, adding your logo, changing your application name, adding your users. You can always add your domain if you want to add a custom domain to your application. You can modify the authentication part, which is if the user requires a login and if the users and you allow external users to sign in. And then once you're ready, you just share the link with your team, and that's it. Your application is ready to be made public.